We're playing foosball with our DIY foosball we made. Kick the ball. That's my team. More bioavailable for the cucumbers, even if immediately in the future, for the cucumbers to get some
doesn't count.
I know. To help just love attacking the peas. That's one reason I have them in boxes like this. And then as the peas start to get
ball, get the ball. Doesn't count.
No, I'm just moving the ball. Sorry.
This way the birds eat some of the older growth.
You cheating.
Get the ball, get the ball.
Get the ball, get the ball. Oh. Why do you keep going in this corner?
Get out the hole.
Where's the ball?
The ball's right there.
Oh. Trying to kick it. It's not moving. My feet. This is your ball. Move that blue man right there. Come in.
This man?
This one.
Oh, this man. Hey, get
My ball. My ball. Okay, it's your ball now.
Like cucumbers let go of their carrots. That's good for painting. They also let go with another one for painting. And marrow and garlic.
Yeah, I gotta do.
I'm going to be planting my cucumbers, one at this end here and one at the other end. I mean, they just produce massive harvests. I think
Sure, why not? It's cheating, but okay. My man is falling. Look, this man keep hitting the ball in his own goal. You need to stop doing that.
And it's just so many cucumbers.
I'm gonna get the ball.
This is a good spot. And I also grew up with the fence line behind me. That's a massive harvest. Fence line there.
Trying to get it. Your feet is too short. Your legs.
Hey, but he's the tallest one here.
I know, it's ironic.
He's the tallest one. Hey. Hurry up.
You're doing that to yourself.
Let's go.
Yeah. You are. Oh, go. Oh, you blocked it. You're lucky. I almost made a goal.
That makes it so me and Tom can, you know, live out eating fresh organic food in the backyard and share this.
No.
So they can have the same opportunity to grow some of their own food,
This
get
man.
connected with nature, and then just
It's on your side.
I know that.
Well, kick it.
planting a seed, watching it grow, sharing the harvest, sharing the
Kick.
It's just natural, so thank you for that. I don't know where Tuck is. It must be one.
It goes in this hole. It's not in the way. It goes in that hole.
Or even snacking maybe on the tea somewhere.
I didn't realize it gets it all.
Oh, this guy completely fell off the stick. We switched teams, guys. Now I'm the blue team.
And I'm the red team.
And this guy here, his legs are touching the ground. Okay, let's go. There you go, putting it in the corner again.
Just put. Now it's on my team.
My family and I live in Lower Alabama, Zone 8.
Hey.
It's on your team.
I know that. It's telling me. Come on. Come on. It's literally on my top.
The idea of eating well and not shipping in stuff from all over. And how many people have handled food and just put it in the idea of having
Whoa, that was a good kick. That was a good kick, blue team.
Yay, now I got the ball. Hey, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Leo decided to go ahead and park an area in the backyard in preparation for putting in a grocery cart. So I said, look, when you do this,
I do not want to kick anymore.
we'll put the entire thing together. In early March, we decided it was time to start dead.
I keep falling. My tape.
This is from looking at this lawn that
This one's so good.
because the lawn was nice.
Hey.
Thick. It wasn't this patchy
So who won?
Where's the ball?
It's over there.
Nobody won.
Wah, wah.